We're back, fellow knife enthusiasts. Today we'll be doing a quick review on the CRKT Apoc with VEF serrations. First glance, seems like a nice little knife. It is a manual flipper with flipper tab. Bring it up close there so you can see it. Alright, we'll start off by telling you a little bit about this knife. It is 9 inches overall. The blade length is 4 inch. Cutting edge is around 3 3/4 inches, including the VEF serrations. It's an 8CR13 MOV steel. I call it a Warncliffe style blade, I guess. It's black stone wash finish. Combo, so it's half serrated. The handle length is 5. Of course, the blade length was 4. Handle material is G10 on this scale overlay here of the frame. It is a manual tip up right hand carry. It's a liner lock. Opens smoothly, easily. The weight of this knife is 6.2 ounce. Does have room for a lanyard. This knife would be very efficient for cutting. We can go ahead and show you how that works, and we'll tell you a little bit more about it. Of course, the liner, or the frame in this case, is stainless steel. Has a very sharp tip for cutting. The handle thickness is about 0.6 in its widest area, and about 0.875, so almost an inch, a little bit less across and a little bit more than a half. Blade thickness is pretty standard, 0.15. Has this neat hammered look on top. Kind of sets it off a little bit. Let's bring something over and do a little more cutting. Of course, it's going to be sharp, obviously, as you would find with any new knife for CRKT. You can see it cuts quickly, smoothly, without fraying. The flipper tab on this particular model, the Apoc, has a little jimping on top to keep your hand firmly in place, your finger, as you flip it open. And then it protects on the other side. I really like when they do that. So when you're cutting on something more difficult, if your hand would happen to slip, you're going to stay behind the blade with the flipper tab, as the hand is curved to fit your hand. Of course, even in a reverse cut. So it's easy one-hand opening and closing. I'll show you how it cuts here on some cardboard. Of course, it's going to cut smoothly. And it's going to cut a lot more smoothly if you get into the VEF serrations, as you can tell. Now, I try not to do that because you'll jam them into the board each time that you do it. But it cuts, that's for sure. It doesn't take much effort to do it. So once again, this is the CRKT Apoc. It's a new knife from Columbia River. The model number is 5381 for anybody who cares, I guess is a perfect way to put it. If you're watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife. We do these quick reviews, 5 minutes, post them on YouTube and on Instagram for you guys to see. That way you can get a look and see if it's something that you're interested in. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We do these reviews, weekly show, and we do a brand spotlight that tells you a little bit about each brand. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.